Welcome to another edition of Damn TV with Damn Sam. Happy Bank Holiday, everybody. Bank Holiday Monday, in fact. Ricky's been. He's done a bit more work. Done his A for day. And he's rattled that far wall up. So we're getting some more progress. He's given me a list of stuff to get. I've got to get some commoners and that. 120, I think. And I've just been doing my bit. So because we're matching in, I've just cut fascia down and cut it back so we can see pan on the inside. Measure what pan it was. It's 4x3, and then when he does his tomorrow, when he breaks this bit up or blocks this bit up, he'll be able to match in with level that they've got there. Same at this side. Just got fine art, and then just gut it down and cut in there, and we can see everything. So I'll be able to marry it in, and then when joiner comes to put roof on, joiner will take the rest of that down. I'm just, again, fingers crossed it's not going to rain, but it's cracking flags today. Not a cloud in the sky. That's how we like it. So yeah, we're getting some more progress. I've got to go and pick other bit of scaffold up. He's going to put that here when he's doing these bits and getting lintels on. What else can I tell you? I think that's about it, really. So yeah, working on a bank holiday, putting hours in. I did some clearing up yesterday. So guy that come to the conservatory who took it down, professional window guy, whatever, and we were in house, and he went before I came and looked outside. He just left all plastic, so left all roof, all strips, just left them in a pile here, which I was a bit annoyed about, but basically he just took windows and doors. But on a positive side, it did take everything down apart from metal running piece that went across there that he couldn't get out, so I got it down Saturday morning. They were like the screws with a special end that go into brickwork. You just screw them straight in, drill your hole, and then screw them straight in. And could I get it out? I had correct bit and everything, and just won't come out, which is a bit the same for him. So I got fane underneath metal bit, and then cut through a screw, which was about that thick. It took some doing. Went through quite a few blades, but I got it off, which was main thing, without any damage or pulling brickwork or to bits or whatever. We've got 3 windows now. You can see they're just taking shape. 2 in that section at kitchen, 3 in this section, and then obviously we've got roof lights that's going to be going in, so it'll be flooded with light. Now I'm at a crossroads and a dilemma. On drawings, there's 6 windows. There's 4 across main roof, and there's 1 in each end where hip is. And do I keep them 2 windows? Because I've said, Velux is like, I've been pricing them up and they're just mega expensive. So you're looking with flashing, and they've got to be electric, because you got to get up and down all the time. You don't have a set of ladders in here, or it won't look right, would it? So you got to have electric for opening and shutting. And I think before that they're 800 quid a piece on Velux website. So do I just go with 4, save me send a bit of cash, or do we go for wow factor and have another 2 windows? Bear in mind when the sun's sort of we're south facing, so this is morning, so the sun starts off over here and comes around here, so you can have, I imagine you can have glare coming through that end window in morning, and then same you're going to have a lot of glare coming through that window in afternoon, and it sets over there. So I don't know whether there'd be problems with that. I know you can get blinds, but that's another arm and a leg, so something I've got to think about. And help me out. What do I do? If there's anybody that's got an extension that's got lots of windows in, how do you go on with glare off at sun? Because I've had houses before where sun's shining through windows and you can't see telly. So if you've got a telly on wall, or you've got a telly in corner, and the sun lights directly on it, you're forever into closed blinds. I mean, like in room, that's what we're doing. So we've got blinds shut all the time. So that's the other thing to consider. If we don't have them 2 on there, you're not going to get that direct sunlight through. So I'll leave you now, and I'll get off on my scaffold, and I'll see you at next video. See you later.
Thanks for watching another edition of Dam TV with Dan Sam. Please subscribe and please like the channel.